Hello, good evening, everyone. It's me, Kelvin. Thank you for joining, and remember to give us a like. And let's take a look into the market right now. Change to one first, and then this is a 1 minute. I will need to look into 5. So let's see. Market is started. No price movement. Okay, yeah, it's in right now, so everything is fine. So things are going down. Look back into what we are looking at. Market down. So we need to find something that is everything is going down except for Microsoft is a little bit up, but opening time is all down also. Let's look into it right now. What are the ones that is moving up? This is the internet content information, Microsoft. We use back the same old way to trade it. It's down. Majority of it are down. Okay. Bank of America is having a bit of price up. So if it's close at this point, that's where we look into it for an entry. So it's 28 minutes, 28 seconds right now. Pressing it back down lower. Hey, where's my... Ah, okay. So you guys can see it better right now. Price is back down, not showing sign of price up yet. But XOM Mobil is showing sign of it. So I'm looking into this. Entry, XOM Mobil. Alright. So this is our entry here, and I will continue to monitor to see any of the for the exit. So the entry rules for me using testing it out right now is the candlestick right now is close higher than the previous one, and then previous candlestick, and then when it move up higher, then we're gonna watch when it shows like not much of price markup, like a lot of small candlestick is show us that they have not much intention to mark it up higher. So that's where we stop looking into it. Okay. So it's not like moving in and out, in and out, in and out a lot right now. US market, those that is tech related or information related are going down. So XOM Mobil, oil and gas. So which is Malaysia side also, the oil and gas also showing sign that they are marking up higher. Let's see. Down price. I'm not going to do a lot of exit from this point here. Selling pressure is huge. Get down some more. Price down, volume high. Volume here is about 46. It's 47, so it's not that high actually. So I'm using this way is to avoid, like last time, if you been seeing our live stream showing sign that every time when we exit, then the price start to move back up higher. So I'm going to analyze the buy sell queue here to understand more, like whether they have more buy orders are coming in to queue at the higher point rather than just or not filling back up and queuing at the lower point. So this way I find it is much more easier for us to look at it. Okay, 4-8 marking up higher, 4-8, 4-9, 4-6, 4-1, 4T right now, 4 back to 4-6. Buy side 4-8, 4-9. Okay, it moves somewhat back at a higher point, 4-9. 5-6, 5-7, 6-1, 6-2. So right now we are having a running profit of 240. 6-1. Sudden. There's a lot of throwing that at 5-1, 5-8 now. So one of the way that we find, like for us to see whether they have the intention. Hey, how I get it back? Whether they have continuation, the intention of price move up, is looking at the degree of the price up before each of the price down. So it's a bit not able to mark it up. Okay, 7-5 queuing at higher. 7-6, 7-7. 7-8, 8-1, 8-3, 8-4, 8-6, 8-7. 9, 9, 4, 9 plus. So right now we have, okay, 600 over profit right now. Why it doesn't move by itself? So I think it's still a longer stretch than the one before here. So it's more likely that they have a continuation of price movement. Seven, 3, 7, 8. Retrace is coming. I'll do an exit first from here. And then get back in after the retrace. Here, 7, 9. So the profit that we have right now is about 600 plus. So why is it not view? The price I set is too low. Too high, not too low. The price already retraced. Might as well I just hold on to it first then. Hold on to it and then wait for the rebound. If it does have a rebound, then I'll just add on more from it. Volume higher than the previous one right now, previous candlestick. Looks like there's a pause here right now. 5356, 57. Queuing at the higher point. It's 8. Some can measure. It's like this. So right now what we see is that the price up is shorter. So it will get shorter and shorter and shorter. So when it's getting shorter and shorter, that means that they have no intention to mark it up higher. This is just the first round of the retrace. Fund flow. They need a big one are coming in just now rather than a small one. Price continue to trace down lower. It's 50% down from close to 50% from the previous price up. Okay, high volume here. So it's a rebound that is coming. But we need to time our exit soon because the price up from the latest up here is shorter than the previous one. So it seems like they will have a bit of a price peak soon. So the current price up, it might not go higher than this one over here. They might just stay about the same, just slightly higher, and then that's the end of it. Okay, up, and away. So I'm using the Moomoo trade here. If let's say you have the intention to have a trading account to trade US market, then you can go to the description box below to find the account opening link. 90, 71, 703, 706, 07, 09, 10, 14, 18, 23, 24, 27, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 35, 38. I'm saying that this one over here that is blinking, that how much they are queuing at the high side. So it seems like it's not queuing at the high side right now anymore. So just now highest point is 38, the 41 highest, 41, 41, 41, 42. Okay, still not marking up above 41 and 42. No one is queuing above that, so sorry about it. Oh, okay, 46, right? 49, 50, 52, down 10 cents right after that. So you can see the price are marking up slowly. Smaller, all this like this is telling us that it's about it. It's about the peak of it. Okay. Alright, just gonna take this profit over here and done. 1001 of the profit pending view. Okay, so you can see today the transaction XOM Mobil. Entry is at 106.30, then exit at 107.38. So it's about $1 of profit times 1,000 here is about $1,000. Okay, so yep, it's good today. Profit only 700 plus. How can that be? Okay, so if let's say the 1,000 plus, then usually right now if you trade US market with Moomoo trades, then there's zero commission except for some of the fees that you have to pay to the US side. Okay, but the commission side is actually zero. So it won't take up to like maybe like 300 or 200 plus. So it's fine. Right now, after 18 minutes, market open, so making about 700 plus is okay. So far, our trades that we did is, so you can see from here, XOM Mobil, buy fees, sell fees, so it's about 13 plus, 13 plus. Then the overall, last week also we make some profit from it, from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see the transaction. Buy at 127, sell at 174. So there's a profit. Buy at 1146 and sell at 84. So a profit also. This one I buy twice, so it's still at a profit. So I think last week only I changed into this trading method. So far it serves us well. So profit wise, you can see the price start to have a retrace again. This retrace is going to be temporary, a very short temporary retrace. Can look back into it later on, but you can see the price movement of them is getting small. So you can see this one is longer, this is also longer, and this one is longer than the previous one, right? Yeah, longer than the previous one, slightly. So we're gonna wait and see how it goes, and that's it here for today. So XOM Mobil is the one that we have tried out, so I'm not going to do a lot of trades from here. So far, after so many months of trying into the trading strategies that we use into it, I think this one is much more better for day trading. Instead of going in like previously, looking to the ticker in and out, in and out, in and out, then it's a bit difficult to monitor this. Not so good. So it's still more on the betting on whether the price is going to fall or up. So but for the current one that we are using is pretty much like, okay, it's still good. So we can see that, oh, retrace is here, retrace is coming. So much more confident when we are trading. At least we know what is going to happen. All right. Okay, so that's about it here today. Thank you very much for looking into this. And of course, if you want to open a trading account for US market trading, you can go to our description box. There's a link. Use my unique link to open the trading account, and then you can have enjoy some of the promotion for the Moomoo trade as well. Okay, and I'll see you guys again next week. Thank you. Bye bye.
Wrong and Search. True traders react to the market.